In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your orders in Temu Shop. Shopping online is a convenient way to get the things you love delivered straight to your doorstep. But keeping track of those orders is crucial to ensure a smooth shopping experience. Let's dive in and learn how you can effortlessly check your orders on Temu, whether you're using their app or website. To begin, you'll need to open the Temu app or visit the website on your preferred browser. Once there, make sure you log in to your Temu account. Now, it might sound trivial, but logging in is essential because this is how the system identifies you and retrieves your order history. If you're not logged in, you won't be able to access your orders. Once you've logged into your account, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a section where your account or profile name is displayed. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu which includes several options related to your account management. Here, you want to look for and select My Orders from the list. This option is your gateway to seeing the list of all your recent purchases and their statuses. The moment you click on My Orders, a detailed list of your recent orders should appear. This page is very informative as it includes a wealth of information that you might find useful. You can see all the products you've purchased recently, and for each order entry, you have specific details such as the order number, the payment method used, and even the shipping address to which it was sent. Moreover, this page offers you the current delivery status, whether it's still processing, has been shipped, or has reached your doorstep. Now, if you find an order that catches your interest and you want to delve deeper into its specifics, simply click or tap on it. This action will bring up a comprehensive view of that order. From here, you can explore each item within the order and gain further insight into that purchase. Plus, there's an option labeled Track Package. Clicking this is especially handy if you're eagerly anticipating the arrival of your package. It provides real-time updates on your shipment's journey so you know exactly when to expect it. Taking the time to monitor your orders through Temu's platform ensures that you're well informed about your purchases, minimizing surprises